What's going on, credit snipers? Hey man, your boy Carlos, the credit assassin. Hey man, you know what? I was thinking something about this morning. I just dropped my son off to school. Thinking like a father. Unfortunately, I'm a single parent. Things really didn't work out within my ex and me, but you know, I would have loved to have the nucleus of a family, but I don't have that. So being completely honest with you guys, I don't have that. But I strive every single day to be the best father. Not comparing myself to anyone, but to be the best father that I can be. Everything that I do, from going to 10x my life, 10x my business, 10x my reputation, 10x my relationship with my kids, 10x my business, 10x everything. It has brought so much peace within me, and allowing me that I know that I'm doing the right thing, the path that I'm taking. Whatever you do in life, guys, things always happen for a reason. And that's what I believe. They prepare us for something bigger in life. Sometimes God has a different plan than what we've done. I mean, I see my life, 40 years old right now, and my life had taken so many left and right. Here where I am today is never where I thought I would be. And the trajectory that I'm taking right now, and I still want to help people, and I know that that's what I'm here for, to help you with credit, or at least by example of leadership. That's one of the main things. Coming from the military, I pride myself in leading people the right way. I want to make sure that troop welfare is one of the big and better things that I can do. And I wanted to make sure I shared this with you guys this morning. I mean, talking to my son this morning, kind of brought some tears to my eyes, knowing that this little gentleman is growing to be a little man that is going to see the right thing on his father. Even though his dad did has a past, I want him to see that your past do not define who you are today, nor dictates what you're going to be in the future. Guys, I just want to go and share this with you guys. I have a love for what I do, a passion, helping people build their credit. I want to make sure that you learn the way on how to dictate what your future is going to be, and don't allow credit to stop you from doing things that you want in life and from life. Because I always say that money talks, but credit holds conversation and gets you into places where you never thought it would get you. Guys, just wanted to share this with you from the heart. This is your boy Carlos, the credit assassin. I'll see you next time, okay? Take care.